Look at my skin, you guys. Are you seeing? This is real. There is no filter. मतलब I can't explain कि मेरी skin कितनी खुश feel करती है. Why does Sarah like Korean skincare all of a sudden? Hi you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. For today's video, I am sharing my Korean skincare favorites with y'all. Anybody who's an OG Sarah squad who's been on this channel for a while, आप लोगों को पता होगा कि I'm not somebody who's been a huge advocate for Korean skincare. I've always said that I don't think that Korean skincare works for Indian skin. I'm an acne prone skin type and I used to always get breakouts if I used any of their skincare products. And I just made a conclusion for myself that Korean skincare does not work for Indian skin because their weather is different than our weather and their skin is different than our skin. So we don't need the 10-step routine and we don't need the products that they use. I still believe that we don't need the 10-step routine, so I do not have a 10-step skincare routine because I'm also a very busy person in general and do not have that much time. So this is my lazy girl edition. But now what has changed? Why does Sarah like Korean skincare all of a sudden? So basically in 2024, अगर आपने मेरी journey follow की है, you know that I have lost a lot of weight. I have fixed my lifestyle, I have fixed my diet, and I realized that the major reason I had a lot of inflammation in my body, in my face, and the reason I used to get acne a lot was not what I was applying on my face. It was because of what I was consuming food-wise. So once I cleared out my diet, I stopped eating sugar, I reduced the carbohydrate intake in my body, I ate the adequate amount of protein in my diet, and I started working out. My hormones have fixed themselves, mashallah. And in the second half of 2024, I actually could experiment more with skincare. I also went to New York and I purchased some of the new and exciting brands of Korean skincare from New York, from Koreatown. I got this also from Koreatown. Then I also got sent a lot of Korean skincare, and जब मैं ये सब अभी apply कर रही थी in the second half, my skin started improving actually. मेरा acne तो वैसे भी clear हो गया था because of my correct lifestyle, and I realized that most of the acne is always due to internal causes and not due to external applications. But acne ठीक होने के साथ skin में जो ये ग्लो आ रहा है, लाइक करंटली मेरी फेस पे कुछ भी नहीं है. दिस इज लाइक पसीना भी नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं है मेरे फेस पे. यू कैन सी नो प्रोडक्ट, नथिंग, इज जस्ट अ क्लीन कैनवस. खाली फेस मैंने मॉर्निंग में वॉश किया था, अभी आफ्टरनून हो गई है. बट देयर इज दिस नेचुरल ग्लो एंड हेल्दीनेस टू माई स्किन. एट ऑल टाइम्स माई स्किन फील्स प्लम्प, इट फील्स हाइड्रेटेड, द मॉइस्चर लेवल्स आर परफेक्ट. दैट ग्लास स्किन जो कोरियन लोग बात करते हैं, मुझे फाइनली समझ आने लगा है कि वो लोग किस बारे में बात करते हैं. एंड आई हैव फॉलन इन लव विद कोरियन स्किन केयर. नाउ इट्स not just something that I am liking using on and off, it's something that I'm getting obsessed with. So maybe my Korean obsession is now starting in 2025. So I have a bunch of products that work for me being acne prone skin type, and I thought I will share it with you in a video. और मैं आप लोगों को वैसे भी बताऊंगी कि मैं इसको कैसे यूज करती हूँ so that it suits me. Like I said, I don't do a 10-step routine. It's either or. So let's get started. अगर आप interested हो to know what I like in Korean skincare, then continue watching. But if this is the first time you've come onto my channel, then hi, I'm Sarah. I make beauty and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Take a moment, hit that subscribe button, join the Sarah squad. I'm sure you'll love it here. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon right next to you so that every time I upload a video, you get notified. And with that, we can dive straight into this. Let's follow the very simple skincare routine step, CTMS. This 4 steps is perfect for any lazy girl, everyday girl, office girl, Korean girl, Indian girl, any type of girl, or any type of man also for that matter. Any skin type can do a CTMS routine. Is the requirement for your skin. So at the end of the day, you need to cleanse your skin. आपकी स्किन काफी मतलब pollution, sun damage वो सब ले चुकी है. The kind of cleansing I like to do is always double cleanse. You need to double cleanse because even if you've applied sunscreen or any other product in the day, आपको वो सब अच्छे से निकालना है. प्लस अगर आप बाहर गए हो, pollution की वजह से भी स्किन बहुत clog हो जाती है. Making sure your skin is cleansed, make sure कि आपको blackheads वगैरह ना हो. You can see how shiny my nose is. I don't get blackheads, I don't get whiteheads, and since my hormonal acne is gone, you can see there's no texture on my face whatsoever. So double cleansing is actually the reason why I don't get texture. And I love this for my double cleanse. This is the ginseng cleansing oil from the brand Beauty of Joseon. I love this brand also. You'll see a lot of products from them in my Korean skincare routine. And इतना lightweight texture है इसका. जैसे ये पानी को मिलता है, it becomes like milky and very lightweight, super easy to apply and breaks away everything actually. Even if you have makeup, it will break away your makeup too, but it won't break away a lot of the makeup. Like it will break away only a mild layer. So this majorly works for a good everyday cleanse. Like the days I've just applied some tint and lip balm and some amount of makeup, don't have too much going on my face, then I love using this. I use this on my heavy makeup days also, but then I will go iske baad with a lot of micellar cotton pads. A cleansing balm if I use, I'll show you one from the Korean company also which I love. That is a better cleansing balms, are better for heavy makeup days. This is great for your sunscreen, lightweight, tinted moisturizer kind of makeup days. Great for double cleanse. इसको लगाओ पहले ऑयल से अपनी फेस पे सारा जितना प्रोडक्ट है सब ब्रेकआउट कर दो, एंड देन यू नीड टू गो इन फॉर अ फेस वॉश. यू कैन यूज एनी फेस वॉश, एनी जेल or cream face wash, whatever suits you, but this ginseng cleansing oil, this smells also so nice. It smells like ginseng, very ayurvedic herbal kind of a fragrance it has. I love the fragrance, it's very calming. A cleansing balm that I love from Korea is the Banilla and Co Clean It Zero Cica Relief Cleansing Balm. This is such a good cleansing balm. बहुत थोड़े products है ना, बहुत deeply आपका सारा makeup निकल जाएगा. It's such a good cleansing balm. मैंने सिंगापुर में January 2024 में लिया था, and then I used it for a good 9 months and then refilled mine in New York. So that means it lasts very long for somebody like me who applies makeup every day. The quantity is great, the product formulation is great, and now it's available on Nykaa, so you can get your hands on it. सारे products के links मैं नीचे आप लोग के लिए डाल दूंगी. Once you've applied makeup and mascara वगैरह निकालते समय अगर आपकी आंखें जलती है, use this one and it will never burn your eyes. Like Clinique is taking a backseat for me. Clinique Take the Day Off Balm used to be my favorite, but Clinique Take the Day Off Balm burns the eyes like nobody's business. This one doesn't do that. This doesn't burn my eyes and takes away even waterproof mascara really nicely. So I'm gonna keep rebuying it now that it's in India. So even though it's 2,000 rupees, the same price actually like Take the Day Off Balm, but I think this is better value for money, will last you longer, will not sting your eyes, and it's great for sensitive skin. You get like a lot of variants. This blue one is my favorite. Ab ye product you've seen me use before if you are not new to my channel. The Face Shop Tea Tree Pore Clarifying Gel Cleanser. A favorite since a very long time because this is an oily skin must have. I've been oily, acne prone skin, and even before this cleanser used to be my favorite. The fragrance on this is so nostalgic because tea tree used to be my favorite product to use when I had like a lot of acne. So ये इतना महंगा भी नहीं है. Face Shop's products are really nice on a budget in Korean skincare, and it's one of the first brands that actually came to India. Very clean beauty brand, and I love that you get a lot of product with Face Shop. Like इसमें बहुत अच्छी quantity भी मिलती है. So this face wash आराम से will last you 6-7 months. Also you just need a little bit. So nicely gel cleanser, takes away all the gunk very nicely. Sometimes even if I can't do a double cleanse by using this and Face Shop, just Face Shop will do the job for me. The gel cleanser from Face Shop which has tea tree in it. Next we're talking serums. So this is the serum which actually made me fall in love with Beauty of Joseon as a brand. This is their glow serum and it has propolis and niacinamide. It's actually viral all over TikTok and Instagram. Lots of people are loving the results with this, and so am I. The glow that this gives you, and it really treats hyperpigmentation. You can see कि इतना कम product मेरा खत्म हुआ है, and I've been using it since the start of December, almost like November end से मैं use कर रही हूँ. The dropper on this is actually horrible. अच्छे से product नहीं निकलता है. If you'll see, now I'm gonna do my skincare routine with you, and if you'll see, it just dispenses itna. That's it. But I just use that and I just pat it into my skin. It's not very hydrating या बहुत सारा product नहीं apply हो रहा है. It's actually just got ingredients which is going to help you get your glow back and help you with your hyperpigmentation. Like all of us naturally have some amount of hyperpigmentation around the mouth area. Like my forehead is a lot darker than my normal skin. And make sure you're applying it on your neck. You can even apply a remainder on your hands. And this is very, very good serum to treat your hyperpigmentation, acne marks, redness, all of that. Viral for a reason. बहुत ही अच्छा serum है. छोटी bottle लग रही है but बहुत लंबा last करेगा. Then the viral Cosrx Snail Mucin. TikTok ने जिस तरीके से इसको viral किया, it's crazy. Like मैंने पहले भी इसको use कर रखा था. I remember long back I had a collab with Limes Connect, and that time as PR they had sent me this product also. Majorly it was a Face Shop collab, so I had only like to use the Face Shop products, but I gave this a chance and it broke me out. Like that was I think when I was 21 and my hormones were raging and I had the worst acne, so it only flared up my acne. So if you have really inflamed skin, I would not recommend that you dive into Snail Mucin. That's the catch with Snail Mucin, that if you have inflammation, it can increase your inflammation. Once your body's inflammation has settled down, you need to realize कि आपको अच्छा खाना and lifestyle सुधार के ही आपकी body सुधरेगी, वरना कुछ भी आप ऊपर से लगा लो, drawer भर के skincare हो, if you're not gonna fix your lifestyle, it's not gonna help you. You will never get the glass skin if you're not gonna fix your lifestyle. That's a harsh truth I can tell you. But once your body's inflammation is down, your skin is not inflamed anymore, this product will work like magic for you. Like the essence is really potent to give you that plumpness. It feels like you have filler on your skin, and that I will tell you with a lot of the Korean skin कि मैं जब से ये यूज करने लगी हूँ ना स्किन केयर रूटीन इनकी, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैंने फिलर्स करा रखी है और गाल में ऐसे गोल मटोल गाल हो गए. It's just naturally like this now because of the skincare products I'm using, and I never feel that way with like regular skincare. So I don't know what is it that they use. They don't use actives a lot, so it's mostly like a lot of ceramides, a lot of power packed ingredients with peptides and stuff. So it's getting a lot of juice and a lot of nourishment, I feel, with Korean skincare. I take a good like 2 pumps. I do this 3 times a week now, and a good amount of this, you can see the stickiness and tackiness of snail mucin is there, and you have to just press this into the skin. So this is what my skin looks like, mashallah. I feel like now my skin and my gut both are working in harmony. What I'm really doing for my lifestyle, जो बोलते हैं ना अपने आप पे काम करो वो दिखने लगता है, वो finally I feel like 2024 में I understood what I was doing for my body, and in 2025 I can actually give you all the gyan also. In 2024 I was very hesitant to share my lifestyle, to share anything actually with you all. In 2024 I didn't share my diet, I didn't share what I was doing because I myself was not confident. But now I've started a series on Instagram as well as on my shorts where I'm going to be sharing my PCOS journey, what I do, how I feel, everything with you all in the form of shorts, and abhi I feel confident doing that. So snail mucin power essence is great if you don't have inflamed skin, if you are not actively breaking out, you will get the glass skin with this. It will treat your skin, it will give you that plumpness. I also feel like जो खड्डे हैं ना मेरी skin में वो सारे भी with time it's sort of like reviving them, and it's sort of giving that, you know, plumpness, and वो appearance of those khaddas that I have due to the acne is not that much because of this product, and that is like marvelous to me. I do this and I do the mucin cream combo also, like दोनों भी products मैं use करती हूँ and same day पे मैं use करती हूँ. 3 times a week I do this, and it almost works like getting yourself a facial, like a heavy duty facial, and go to sleep and you'll wake up and you'll feel like you did fillers. Coming to another peptide booster from Cosrx, this is the amino acid booster. It has 6 peptides and it's got hyaluronic acid, NAG, amino acids. It's for evening skin tone, hydrating, firmness, smoothness. Yeah, that's what I can see. Firm and smooth हो गई है skin. Texture वगैरह सब कुछ चला गया है. Pore sebum care and improve skin texture. All of this is actually happening. Okay, the texture of this is not like snail mucin. इसका texture बहुत ही water based है. If I'll be honest with you, I don't use this as much as I use the ordinary peptide booster, the pink serum जो ordinary का है. I'll link that product also नीचे आप लोग के लिए. I use that more, and since that has peptides, I skip on this. But I am just putting this as a recommendation for my acne prone girls that if you all can't use Cosrx का snail mucin, आपको snail mucin बहुत heavy लगता है, sticky लगता है, tacky लगता है और आपको breakout हो सकता है इसकी वजह से, give this a shot. It will improve your skin texture and the quality of your skin otherwise. Your acne, you need to eat right. And the way your marks are fading and the way your skin will heal from those acne will greatly be influenced by using a good peptide booster. Both are really great. Both are lightweight and both are very hydrating and are packed with really good peptides. So for peptide boosting, I use one peptide serum every day. Either I use this or ordinary. Peptides and ceramides are in my skincare routine every day in one form or another, in the morning or at night. And majorly Korean skincare does have a lot of peptides. Lastly, this is another Beauty of Joseon serum that I really like. This is in my bathroom. So once I'm done with my bath, actually, I put this all over. Like I'll put it on my face and on my décolletage area. So जब आप मुझे like off shoulder tops वगैरह में देखोगे, you'll see my shoulders also glow a lot. My chest area glows a lot. And it's funny to say, but I don't actually use a lot of body highlighter or any such product. It's naturally that I've been doing my skincare on my body also. जब इतने ज़्यादा products हो इंसान के पास तो वो हर जगह लगाता है. It's something like that with me because I have all of this. A lot of products are sent to me in PR, so I tend to keep stuff in the bathroom so that as soon as I'm out of the shower only ना गीली body पे I apply a lot of product, and गीली body पे actually product बहुत easily absorb हो जाता है. So this is their essence water. It also has a lot of ginseng in it. I love the fragrance of ginseng. Smells so nice. It's essence water, like it says. Like look at that glow, and I'm going to show it on my hand, not on my face because face पे अभी already बहुत products है. But it's a very like lightweight essence, and look at that glow. That this is what I'm talking about कि मैं अपनी body पे भी इसको लगा देती हूँ, and it gives a very nice hydration glow to the skin. That's it. Like, this is the job of it, just to give you glow and hydration. Itna I won't say that this is a must have in your body care or a skin care or anything like that, but I am loving it. So I thought it deserves like a special mention in this video. Next, we're diving into toners. Now, actually, you can consider this also like a toner only, but I've not really quite understood if it's helping with balancing pH or something like that. A toner from Korea that I have fallen in love with. It's currently sold out on Nykaa and Myntra after I mentioned it in my US haul video. But when it comes back in stock, you guys need to pounce on it because I'm from toner. I've gotten my mom hooked to it also. I sent it to her, like the extra bottle I had, I gave it to her. And abhi jo meri bottle currently in use hai, you can see, मैं इतना ज़्यादा product use करती हूँ and still only this much. This is like दूध और मलाई को ऐसा mix करके नानी ने बॉटल में डाल के रखा हो और बोल रही है रोज लगा और आपकी स्किन ऐसी मतलब गोल मटोल फिलर जैसी स्किन हो जाएगी. इतनी प्लम्प. इसकी छोटी बॉटल इज जस्ट 500 or something. Definitely try it out. Even if you buy the big bottle, you will not regret it. As acne prone skin also, I can tell you, इससे आपका acne नहीं आएगा, इससे आपका कुछ भी trigger नहीं होगा body में. Your body will love you, your skin will love you. You will get that hydration, you will get that glow, that plump, that juiciness in your skin, and you will love how your skin looks after putting this product. I am obsessed with this toner. Obsessed is an understatement actually. मैं चलते फिरते भी ना रूम में अगर मेरे फेस पे कुछ नहीं होता, I just go in my room, I'm like ऐसा मैं करती रहती हूँ पूरा दिन. आई बिकम लाइक अ क्रेजी कोरियन लेडी. मैं खुद अपने आप में सरप्राइज हूँ. आई एम लाइक व्हाट अ हिपोक्रेट आई एम गोइंग टू बी व्हेन आई स्टार्ट मेंशनिंग दैट आई लव कोरियन स्किन केयर. सो आई थॉट आई नीड टू डू अ यूट्यूब सिट डाउन एंड एक्सप्लेन टू पीपल दैट व्हाट हैज हैपेंड एंड व्हाट चेंज्ड माय लाइफ एंड हाउ कोरियन स्किन केयर नाउ फाइनली वर्किंग. मैं आई एम सो ग्लैड. लाइक ऑनेस्टली अब मुझे समझ में आ रहा है कि लोगों का और पूरी दुनिया का क्या ऑब्सेशन रहा है विद कोरियन स्किन केयर, बिकॉज आई कुड नेवर रिलेट टू एनीबडी ऑनलाइन दैट सेड ओह आई लव कोरियन स्किन केयर. आई कुड नेवर relate and I thought they were lying, but turns out they are not. Look at that plumpness, look at that glow and hydration. We are loving this. All natural with some skincare products, no filler, no doctor procedures, nothing. I've actually reduced my visits to the dermat now that I have finally understood how my body reacts and responds to things. I am loving this independence that I have from dermatological procedures. Okay, I'm going to let my toners sit for a little while since I've just put that I'm from toner and आपने देखा होगा I do 2 layers of it. I always do 2 layers. I just feel like it works better. Yes, Koreans even do 10 layer of toner and with this I can tell you कि 10 layers भी बहुत अच्छा work कर सकता है आपके लिए. But I don't like 10 layers. I think that's too much product waste and time waste also. फिर मेरा जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगा तो और वो out of stock है तो मुझे खत्म नहीं करना. Sunscreen लगाने से पहले I'm just gonna apply some lip balm. One of my favorite lip balms is actually not Laneige. It's this one. इसका label मैं निकाल चुकी हूँ टाइम पास करते हुए and I feel like अभी मेरे पास more than 6 months से ये lip balm है and still you can see how much product is left. Very hydrating, very juicy. I do have some amount of tint on my lips and the tint also I have is the Roman Jutsi lasting tint. You know I love my Roman Jutsi lasting tint. I have the shade Fig on my lips right now. I love Fig. It's a very pinky sort of an everyday color. This is what it looks like. They don't last like super long. They last you 1 to 2 hours, but they are very juicy and hydrating. So you don't have to apply the tint and then apply a lip balm. वो tint ही आपको दे देगा. I love Etude House tints also, but there is some trauma with me and Etude House. I buy it, I lose it. I buy it and lose it. And every time that and Laneige का that lip glowy balm, love those 2 products. Every time I buy it, every time I lose it. मतलब black hole है मेरे घर में कि हर बार like me and Sharon before filming this video were like crazy searching for Etude House का lip tints and Laneige का lip glowy mask, but I could not show you all amazing lip products, but unfortunately I don't have them to show you. This is a great nude color अगर आप office and college के लिए you're looking for a nice ऐसा वाला glowy nude color. Dark coconut looks so good. Most of the times when I'm starting a YouTube video, I have dark coconut on my lips and आप लोग मुझे पूछते हो कि what did you have on your lips before you started makeup? This is what I had, and this is a great like coke color, like plum coke is the name of the shade. It gives you the cherry cola lips in a jar. You don't have to do the cherry cola trend. You just put this on and look at how pigmented it is, and again very hydrating. I love this. This color is when you need to like go out and meet your friends or you're going for a movie or something and the pigment stays on for really long. I'm just gonna blot away any excess because I wanted to show you all what the Cosrx lip balm does. The Cosrx lip balm is super hydrating and treatment जैसा product है ये. आप देख सकते हो मैंने बहुत ही कम लिया है. That's all the product that I'm taking. And I'm gonna apply it. This is my nighttime lip balm, okay? I apply this in the night and I wake up with very soft, very, very hydrated lips. It treats my chapped lips. I've had this for very long and I keep rebuying this Cosrx lip balm. I think I've bought 2 so far and they've lasted me a really, really long time. I also always have my Laneige lip sleeping mask. So it's not like I don't like this. I think this is more affordable. This is slightly more pricey, but this definitely does a better job. It's a thicker lip balm and it's very hydrating if you have like really chapped lips, like especially in this weather. But Laneige is great too. I don't think Laneige is a bad lip balm. It is viral for a reason. Both this and the lip glowy balm in the same color. I just like the pink color. मुझे दूसरे कोई भी colors अच्छे नहीं लगते. वो purple वाला तो अजीब सा ही लगता है. मैंने सब कुछ खरीदा है, सब कुछ try किया. But the pink one, the OG, is the good stuff. I think इनकी packaging में थोड़ा धोखा है because उन लोग ना बहुत नीचे तक डब्बा रखते हैं. Product सिर्फ थोड़ा सा ही आता है अंदर. So that is where I feel like Laneige is slightly more cheaper than the Cosrx because Cosrx is like a huge tub. It gives you a lot. इनका पैकेजिंग धोखा नहीं है. जितना आपको दिख रहा है ये पूरे में आपको प्रोडक्ट ही मिल रहा है. लाइक द एंटायर थिंग यू कैन सी इज प्रोडक्ट. Whereas Laneige may not getting that much product. They are playing with you. So that is why I think Laneige gets over faster. I end up buying Laneige a lot more. But lip products do get lost in my house very easily. I love my lips very hydrated. This was the combo that I used, and more often than not before I start my videos, this is how you will see me sit, you know, with my skincare done and my lips pigmented with some tint. Now it's time for sunscreen and I have a good amount of sunscreens to share with you all. For sunscreen, I think my Instagram fam already knows that I'm obsessed with the beauty of Joseon. You all must think this brand is sponsoring me. No, but please, if you're watching, anybody from the marketing team, I am open to sponsorships. Please do sponsor me. This brand is so good. It's so good. ये अभी इंडिया है and it is killing it. It is killing with the products. Yes, they are expensive, but so worth it. If you can invest in your skincare, just get it. Get the products from the brand. They're really, really, really good. Especially get this sunscreen. You can see I have 2 tubes. Both of them are being used because एक मैं स्टूडियो में रखती हूँ और एक मैं बेडरूम में रखती हूँ. You remember how I had like a crazy obsession with the Isdin sunscreen? I still love it. Okay, I'm not saying Isdin is not a good sunscreen. It is, but ये 300 रुपया सस्ता है. तो मैं actually पैसा बचा रही हूँ. I'm being kifayati and I'm saving money when I'm buying Beauty of Joseon sunscreen. This texture is so nice. It's so much nicer than Isdin's texture. I think the sun protection is beautiful. The texture is so nice, super lightweight and मतलब आई कांट एक्सप्लेन कि मेरी स्किन कितनी खुश फील करती है सनस्क्रीन लगाने के बाद. एंड मुझे इस दिन के बाद भी ऐसी वाली फीलिंग आती थी बट ज़्यादा ग्लो मिलता है इससे. अब मेरे सारे इस दिन के सनस्क्रीन मैंने जानबूझ के ख़त्म कर दी ताकि आई कैन खुशी खुशी यूज़ दिस एंड बी हैप्पी हैप्पी. I think Koreans mix some sort of addiction in their skincare and stuff and everything else that once you start using their products, there's no going back. Especially now, I think there are like newer, better brands in India. Like before, there was only like Face Shop and Tony Moly and बहुत कम brands थे. Look at my skin, you guys. Are you seeing this is real? There is no filter. Yes, there is golden hour, like beautiful golden hour in my room, which is why you can see this warm tone. But there is no filter whatsoever on my skin and no color grade. ये phone का camera है. There's the redness pigmentation जो मेरी skin पे होता है usually. आप लोगों को दिख रहा है, but it is not that bad how usually it is. ये side I've always had a history of lesser acne, therefore lesser scars and lesser marks. This is chicken pox. This is chicken pox. It will never go. Even acne marks like this don't usually go. We've accepted that, but the skin quality, so good. So good, so healthy, so hydrated, mashallah. I'm very, very happy. But this sunscreen has rice and probiotics. I love the formula, I love the texture, I love everything about it. This sunscreen I've had for really long. Island holiday, I took this sunscreen and went. I didn't use it that much on the island holiday, but जब मैं वापस आई मैं इसको use कर रही थी because this is a hyaluronic acid watery sun gel and it's super watery in texture. It's got like a very similar texture, but it's not runny in any way. It's very, very shiny, dewy. This is from the brand ISN3 and I don't know how to pronounce it. ISN3 or what it is, but you can see it's very hydrating. It's got hyaluronic acid in it and it absorbs like a dream. It's very, very, very hydrating. Like if you have super dry skin, you will love it. मैंने island holiday पे इसलिए नहीं यूज़ किया क्योंकि वो इतना hydrating था कि ऐसा लग रहा था कि स्किन पे पता नहीं मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा पसीना आ रहा है वैसा वाला फीलिंग भी दे सकता है आपको. But if you are in a drier climate, then you're gonna love this. It comes in this blue packaging and it's actually a bestseller on Nykaa. A lot of dry skin girls love it. Since I'm dry on the body, I'm currently using it on my body, and I think it's gonna get over also very soon. Look at that. Look at the shine. Very nice. Now coming to a sunscreen I have mentioned in the past and I really like. This is from the brand Ionic and this worked on my skin even when I had acne. This is the Ionic Centella Calming Daily Sunscreen. इसकी ट्यूब में हवा है, बाकी प्रोडक्ट पूरा ही खत्म हो रखा है इसका. This has SPF 50 PA4+. It's got a beautiful texture and this is what the texture looks like, and I can actually apply a layer more and you'll see that even if you have acne prone skin, because this has Centella, it's very very calming for your skin. It's got this cooling sensation when you apply it. Like Beauty of Joseon की जैसे एकदम absorb नहीं हो जाएगा स्किन में, थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, थोड़ा आपको मसाज करना पड़ेगा, but you can definitely emulsify it. Look at that, it will go away once you emulsify अच्छे से. And even the Beauty of Joseon doesn't break you out. I think it's not got any comedogenic ingredient, तो अगर आपको acne भी है, it won't break you out. I'm all sunscreened up, but I still have one recommendation for y'all. This is the Cosrx's Ultra Light Sunscreen Gel, and this is for all those people who don't like the feel of sunscreen. Like when you say ultra light, it is super ultra light. Like इतना lightweight है कि बिल्कुल feel भी नहीं होगा कि कब आपकी skin में absorb हो गया है. When you don't like the chip-chipa feeling, you don't want any like stickiness, or you don't even want glow. You just want sun protection. I love that this doesn't have a dhakkan. It comes with this squeezy tube. It's easy to travel with. I'm actually going to travel with this one when I go on my next holiday. It doesn't have any cast and अभी तक मैंने इतना use नहीं किया. I won't say this is a favorite, but I just want to give you all an option in case you don't like a heavy sunscreen. Last two products that I have for y'all are moisturizers. Now I'm not a morning moisturizer girl. I use moisturizer mostly in the nighttime routine. Sometimes I'll use in the morning, very rare, only if my skin is very very dry. Since I am now using this product, I don't end up using moisturizer in the daytime because it already gives me the glass skin that I need. Two moisturizers from Korea that I like, and again I have sort of a love-hate relationship with these. Still very much addicted to my Clinique Moisture Surge, but sometimes I'll use them. I won't say they're obsessions, I won't say I love them, you need to get them, but I'll tell you why I like them, just because we are doing a Korean skincare roundup. Now, Belif's True Aqua Bomb, you must have heard about this. Belif has been in India for a while. This Aqua Bomb has this gel moisturizer, very similar to Moisture Surge, and you have this hydrating, tacky sort of a texture to it. I really like the texture. I'm not saying I don't like the texture. What I don't like is that it has fragrance, and kabhi when I apply this fragrance, it can break me out. Abhi, this is very kabhi wala situation. Because kal raat ko maine lagaya tha, and touch wood, I made a prayer and I went to sleep and I did not break out in the morning. Sometimes it breaks me out, sometimes it doesn't. I have a love-hate relationship with it because the feeling of my skin, if it doesn't break me out, is beautiful. Because I applied last night, I woke up this morning, I saw my skin was so juicy, plump. It's exactly how my skin feels when I apply this moisturizer. That's my Cosrx's Advanced Snail Mucin, and this only love now. No more hate relationship with Snail Mucin. No matter how tacky, no matter how goopy, no matter what you say, this guy and this texture does magic to your skin. Like really plumps up your skin, and next day morning your skin will feel like it's like, you know, so you've done something to it in the night. You've gotten a procedure or something. Really nice it feels. The Rice Ceramide Moisturizer from Face Shop. I love this. The creamy texture that it has. Before makeup, the makeup sits so nicely on my skin when I apply this. Almost like a prep product for my skin. So I like the hydration factor. But because it's a cream texture and I'm more of a gel texture girl in moisturizer, I don't gravitate to it normally for my nighttime routine. It's more like my pre-makeup. But this smells like Johnson's Baby for some reason. So that's why I find it a little weird, but it's a good creamy texture, and if you have really dry skin type, you'll love this for your nighttime routines. And that completes everything that I had to share from my Korean routine that I love. You can see without applying any blush, I already have so much redness in the nice way, you know, not the redness that is bad or inflamed on my acne. The kind of redness that is like plump and healthy skin vibes, and just skin feels healthier now, and I think most of it is internal for sure, but the Korean skincare helps. It does help. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you all have some of these favorites. Have you tried? I know all of us at this point have tried Korean skincare. I'm definitely late to the trend, but now that I am on board, episode. Let me know what you thought of this video and if you would like me to share more products as and when I fall in love with them. For now, this is everything I'm using. This was not sponsored, by the way. I'm leaving links for y'all in the description box. They are affiliated. Definitely, if you are thinking of buying any of these, please click the link in the description box. But none of this is sponsored. It's just my honest views, honest thoughts, and definitely follow my PCOS journey so you can know what I eat and my diet and my workout and more about my lifestyle, and that will help you with your lifestyle if in case you have PCOS too. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget a big thumbs up. For today's video, Sarah shout out goes to Rids Palette. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be a part of next video, Sarah shout out, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, bell icon right next to it, and also leave a comment down below saying hashtag Sarah Squad and chance for my next video, Sarah Squad shout out. I'll see you guys very soon. Another video. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.